Hey guys, just a word of caution on these Nissan lower control arms. So it's Renault Koleos, Xtrail Dualis. What you need to do to get these control arms, and it's a bit like the Camrys, you want the tire end out, right? You don't want a bolt in there, and you want a second person to swing this whole thing out of the way, right? And you get the bolts in here by hand, or you will not get these bolts in. The issue here is there's a captive nut in here built into the chassis that is there forever. So yeah, do it like you normally would. Take this off, the lower ball joint, but take the tire end off, take the sway bar off, lift it up out of the way, and get a second person. Do not attempt to do the job yourself. I mean, you could lean your head back on this with a rag on the back of your head and get the bolts in, but if you do have a second person, get them to swing this entire assembly right up, or you will not get these bolts in. They appear to go in, but they don't. And then they burr the threads inside the lower controller, inside the captive nut. Hope that helps. Bye.